Hello and welcome to the second video of series Programming in C. In this video we shall learn about various softwares we can use to code the C program and execute it. There are various free integrated development environment programs available. For example, you can use CodeBlocks. It will show you first link codeblocks.org. You can go to this website and download code code blocks for C++, C and Fortran integrated development environment. Second option is Visual Studio Code. You can go to code.visualstudio.com to download Visual Studio Code software. Third option which we are using for this is Developer C++ for Windows. Developer C++ for Windows latest version. In it there are various links. You can go for any one from it. For example, there is a link download Developer C++ 5.11492 for Windows at File Hippos. You can go download it from here. You can download it from sourceforge.net. For example, let us go for it. And once countdown is complete, a pop-up window will appear. And here please note the file name as developer cpp 5.11 tdm gcc 4.9.2 setup. The approximate size is 48 MB. If the parameters or the file which is shown to you matches this, click on save file. So once the download is complete, just click the file and at user account control pop-up, just give permission, click yes. The setup while extracting, please wait, it will take some time. Once setup file extraction is complete, installer window will appear. Choose default language, that is English. Click OK. Agree to the license agreement and keep all the boxes checked except last one, because you are installing it for the first time and you don't need to check it. Last option is remove old configuration files. So keep it unchecked, click next. Leave the default installation path as it is, click install. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete the installation process. Developer C++ is a complete integrated development environment, and most of our programs will run in this software. It may take up to a minute more. That's it. And once installation is complete, just click finish. So select English original, click next, leave everything as it is, click next, OK. So developer C++ integrated environment window will open. Here I will show you the working of this IDE, and for it just go to file menu, new, source file, and you can go to tools and editor options. In editor options you can enlarge font size to say 20 so that everything is visible to you, and you can go through various other options like indentations, etc., and choose their default values or change them as per your needs. Now let us write a default sample program which runs and shows you how this program works. Now first instruction is hash include stdio.h integer main braces curly braces enter printf. This is my first C program, and in C every statement terminates with a semicolon. Return 0. So this is a sample program which is quite simple, and it displays the message on screen, this is my first C program. So go to file, save, and you can name it anything, say sample 1 dot C. It is already there, you can save it as sample 2 dot C. So every C program has extension of .c. So after saving, go to execute menu, select compile, and after compilation ensure that it shows 0 errors and 0 warnings. If you have committed any mistake while printing, it will show error. For example, let us delete this semicolon, save it, and again compile it. It will show an error message that is expected semicolon before return. It says before return semicolon should be there, that is over there. Just remove the error, again save, execute, compile, and once it shows 0 error, 0 warnings, just go to execute and run. So output window will appear, which is known as console in technical language, and output message will be displayed over there. This is my first C program. And once you note the output, click any key, the console window will disappear, and our running of program is complete. So this is how developer C++ environment works. You can create a new file, save it, go to execute menu, compile and run. That's all. Thank you.